Where are you going? You make Mommy laugh. What do you see? There's our stockings for Christmas. And our trees. There's 3 little trees there. We don't have a real Christmas tree this year. Oh! You just rolled over! Did you mean to do that? Uh-oh. Are you going to roll back over? Huh? Or are you just going to look at the stockings? You going to look at the stockings? Oh, really? You're funny. Hi. Hi. You see my twofers? There's 2 twofers down there. And 1 up there, but I don't know how to get to it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, I have 3 teeth right now, tell them. Say, I have 3 teeth. Yeah, and I like to bite everything. Hi. Do you like to talk? Yeah. Where am I? Say bye-bye. Bye there. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.